Obutumwa bwa President Museveni bwashomwa omuhwezi we retired Major Jessica aha mukoro gw'okujaguza ekiro ky'eby'obuhangwa ekyajaguzibwa mu district ya RUBIRIZI kandi emikoro yakorwa aha kishaayi kya Katerera omuri Katerera Town Council. Emikoro egi etakatandikire Honorable Beatrice Anywar State Minister w'amaizi n'eby'obuhangwa yabanza kutongoza project y'okutunga ebyenyanja omu bidiba ebyatimbirwaho ebisharara byabaire byasiisirwe.
I'm happy to have come to one of the projects which the communities, about 500 communities around here, who had actually invaded our wetlands, who have been engaged and are withdrawn. I'm happy to report that. I can even see behind me here, there's coffee, there's food security, Matoke is looking good, and then we have just restocked the fish pond.
Major Jessica omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga kandi owamujwekera omukuhayo obutumwa bwe yaashaba abatuura kwebembera hurru eyokurinda eby'obuhangwa omu byanga byabo.
I would like to reiterate government's commitment to protect wetlands, and I call upon all nature-loving Ugandans to invest in protecting wetlands for our common future. I therefore declare 2025 a year of wetlands action countrywide.
Major Pohona yaranjirira kwehurru y'okugarraho eby'obuhangwa ebyasiisirwe eriyo n'egyenda omu maisho okwetooroora ihanga ryonna.
Due to the government's efforts in restoration, the wetlands in Uganda are beginning to show some recovery, with the coverage of intact wetlands increasing from 8.9% in 2015 to the current 9.8%. We still have a target to recover our wetlands to 12% by 2040.
Ebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe by'okurinda eby'obuhangwa byahikaho aha mukoro ogu.
Ekitwejumbira omu by'obuhangwa nabo kugira ngu nituteekateeka ngu buri kimwe kyona kiri kukorebwa ahansi y'igura nikibeesinga ninga nikitama aha by'obuhangwa. So eby'obuhangwa twatabikumire, twatabirinzire, twatabikwasire nibiza kushisha buri kimwe kyona ekituriho tukora ki.
Okurinda eby'obuhangwa n'ekintu kikuru munonga ahabw'okuba enanka ebisharara ebi nibyo biri kuyamba ensi okwisya. Nitufuna oxygen nungi ninga emoya murungi ahabw'okugira ngu twine ebisharara birungi.
Abebembezi ba district ya RUBIRIZI nabo bahaye enteekateeka yabo aha nshonga y'okurinda eby'obuhangwa.
But we are facing one problem, land shortage. So if people could be given a lot of other alternative sources of income, I'm sure we will be able to conserve the environment and survive and educate our children.
Omukoro ogu gwajagurizibwa hansi y'omuramwa guri kugira ngu conserving the wetlands today for secure tomorrow. Amakuru agashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi na Onesimans Ndyanabo.